Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Amazon smart thermostat suddenly stops cooling and the room keeps feeling warm even though everything appears turned on, it can definitely become disturbing. Sometimes the thermostat screen looks perfectly normal but the air conditioner never starts, while other times cooling worked before and suddenly stopped without warning. A problem like this can happen because of thermostat settings, connection interruptions, cooling schedules, or system refresh issues that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many cooling issues can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix an Amazon Smart thermostat not cooling. Try these. Step 1. Check cooling mode on the Amazon Smart thermostat and confirm it stays set to cool. Step 2. Lower the target temperature on the Amazon Smart thermostat to trigger cooling. Step 3. Confirm power connected to the Amazon Smart thermostat if cooling suddenly stops. Step 4. Refresh the Amazon Smart thermostat settings if schedules recently changed. Step 5. Restart the Amazon Smart thermostat briefly to refresh cooling response. Step 6. Test the Amazon Smart thermostat again and confirm cooling begins working normally.